Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ki prangot ki MLA nakanik ka rilom kasi jentia ki belaya no kam kum kinom ikmat sakayeng darbar tauan ke jela haka arp kandai tedek unok pra jong snam arjar kanyo balalen henne kasngi kila penyeso kum ki Dkhot Pura jong kaseng National People's Party NPP kini ki prangot ki riu sanhima ki bela hiar shukino kum ki MLA ki kintop ye ki sangot ki MLA ki bela job na kaseng Congress House nam arjar khatlai Bakan thom yuba sngau bhalang dhar na Nartiang constituency uba ngai lang dhar na Umroi constituency uba coming one Ombon na Raliang constituency uba Peston Tensong na Punursla constituency bat uba Rowel Lingdo na Maukarwan kiwei de kikin thop yuba Remington Pongrom na Maukanrau constituency uba lami no na kaseng UDP nang ta uba Stephen Mukhem na Amlarem constituency bat uba hopeful baman na Sutnga kibala job yak election house nam arja khatlai kum ki kirtong Klemseng yakini ki prangot ki kirtong kiba hadien bakila penyeso sa NPP latikinaru bakinyakon yak election nakani kaseng la pediang sobha bat Pynskhem ki de ki he jong ka NPP hakaje lang kabalong henne kasngi ka South Reng ukala lengkon Hamadan Polo Shillong.
It is not easy to change. But I know and I have confidence in the team that is sitting here with us. And he will make a change that is required. Along with our deputy CM of Pura, we will also have Chief Minister of Ghana on the stage. Will we have yes or no? Will we have the Chief Minister of Ghana on the stage? Yes or no? Yes, I know we can and we will. But it all depends on each and every one of us.
Kemajuan sebagai parti NPP mentatasi hari ini dalam dompet dipajak kamta na aneka rindu kasih janjian. First of all, I'm so glad that the NPP under the leadership of Sri Konrad Kesama, the National President, for being able to organize this rally in Jong. Some people say that the 8 MLAs who resigned recently, they did that just because of their own vested interests. I saw some comments in the Facebook. I saw some comments in the newspaper, especially for the 5 Congress MLAs who resigned recently. And the blame goes by saying that these people are too selfish.
Barok iyadon hapo kani kamadan piwan dak cing sengau kia ngimi na ka parti na ka benta ka chongpi sipau snam haka parti rundum ngaiwi tangga cing yatan telai uwe ya uwe pat nadu arah car sipau Hakicing yalam Jong Dr. Mukul Kubu Chief Minister ngai kahiar kayo Dkhot hakani ka state ka Jong kacing sensaron bor kombong imas ngau ha iwi ba umdesyo tam Chief Minister Jong ka state re Chief Minister Jong kuwai ka konferensi hadin Kecing perkat rangbat rangkat bat kinong dialam kibahakmat kibudan hapor ke parti UDP hakato kapor dagoi kecing mut na kaliang jonga gilarai bangin penyeso siaka parti NPP.
So we have to join the NPP, and we are glad also to be part of this rally which has been convened by the NPP party. Friends, the whole of Meghalaya expect a change, and we cannot do anything unless we put out the present government, present Congress government led by Dr. Ngut. Therefore, our request now to all of us is to go to our respective constituencies, work hard to make a change. To make a change means we have to see which party we are expecting that it can come to power and it can serve the people. We, 8 of us who are joined NPP today, who are still sitting in the air, who are recently resigned from MLA, have decided to join NPP because we could see that only NPP will have the opportunity to lead the government next time. And also seeing the young leaders who will lead the state will have every hope that they will fulfill the aspiration of our people.
Very happy to welcome our 8 leaders who have joined today, as well as the MDCs who have joined today. And I think it's a clear indication that there is a change in the state and people are wanting a change. And I'm sure that with the entry of these senior and very experienced leaders, the NPP is going to be the alternative in our state of Meghalaya. And I'm sure that the people will give opportunity in the coming election to the National People's Party. Well, we will, as I said, be the single largest party, and we are working hard towards even trying to get absolute majority. So we are confident that people will give us an opportunity, and we are positive about the developments that have taken place in the state. So it is not a decision that I as a president or any individual will make. The MLAs will collectively decide on who will be the chief minister. That is after the election is done and after the results come.
Well, we expect maybe more. It depends on them, because conviction is more important than anything else. So let us see. If they join, we are ready to accept them. No, that we already lodged complaint not less than 5-6 times in the ICC. We only told that, but nothing happened till today. We have done that. When I met Madam Sonia ji, when I met Rahul ji, I keep telling them that way. See, being the chief minister, if you have so many portfolios, so many departments, you don't have time to take care of your colleague MLAs. Because as CM, you need to also have time with your colleague MLAs. What problem they have in their respective constituencies, that is important. But as of today, CM, because of so many departments, so you tell me, how can he, humanly speaking, how can he handle that? Sometimes if he handle his official works, then he forget attention to the colleague MLAs. He created a record. He created a record. Out of 11, as I said to you, 11 chief ministers in Meghalaya that we have, he's the one. And then out of the 29 chief ministers in India, he's the one. So don't you think that he's the best? This is the first incident has happened in the history of Congress party in Meghalaya, where the sitting MLAs resigned. 5 we joined NPP, 1 joined BJP, and another one joined PDP. So 7 altogether. So 7 sitting MLAs resigned and then joined another parties I think that is a big blow. It's a big blow for the Congress party,
So
no
that-
doubt. People says that we are opportunists, vested interest. They said that, but I'm telling you, we are joining NPP for the sake of the people of the state. Okay, we are here to serve the state. Forget about that selfishness, forget about self-interest and all, but we are serving the people of the state.